Guess the sound. Number 1. What did you hear? The correct answer is bonfire. Guess the sound. Number 2. What did you hear? The correct answer is forest stream. Guess the sound. Number 3. What did you hear? The correct answer is passing car. Guess the sound. Number 4. What did you hear? The correct answer is starting the truck engine. Guess the sound. Number 5. What did you hear? The correct answer is xylophone. Guess the sound. Number 6. What did you hear? The correct answer is metal thunk. Guess the sound. Number 7. What did you hear? The correct answer is wooden train whistle. Guess the sound. Number 8. What did you hear? The correct answer is wooden door closing. Guess the sound. Number 9. What did you hear? The correct answer is golf club hitting a ball. Guess the sound. Number 10. What did you hear? The correct answer is walking on wooden floor. Guess the sound. Number 11. What did you hear? The correct answer is drying off with towel. Guess the sound. Number 12. What did you hear? The correct answer is wine glass sipping. Guess the sound. Number 13. What did you hear? The correct answer is wind in pine trees. Guess the sound. Number 14. What did you hear? The correct answer is waves crashing on rock beach. Guess the sound. Number 15. What did you hear? The correct answer is bathing. Guess the sound. Number 16. What did you hear? The correct answer is washing hands. Guess the sound number 17. What did you hear? The correct answer is keyboard typing. Guess the sound number 18. What did you hear? The correct answer is flushing the toilet. Guess the sound number 19. What did you hear? The correct answer is tennis ball dribbling. Guess the sound number 20. What did you hear? The correct answer is table tennis. Guess the sound number 21. What did you hear? The correct answer is walking in snow. Guess the sound number 22. What did you hear? The correct answer is cock crowing. Guess the sound number 23. What did you hear? The correct answer is flock of sheep. Guess the sound number 24. What did you hear? The correct answer is snoring dog. Guess the sound number 25. What did you hear? The correct answer is fireworks. Guess the sound number 26. What did you hear? The correct answer is coffee maker. Guess the sound number 27. What did you hear? The correct answer is dog barking. Guess the sound number 28. What did you hear? The correct answer is raining. Guess the sound number 29. What did you hear? The correct answer is electric wood sander. Guess the sound number 30. What did you hear? The correct answer is airplane cabin noise. Guess the sound number 31. What did you hear? The correct answer is wind chimes. Guess the sound number 32. What did you hear? The correct answer is old phone ringing. Guess the sound number 33. What did you hear? The correct answer is typewriter. Guess the sound number 34. What did you hear? The correct answer is pouring the tea. Guess the sound number 35. What did you hear? The correct answer is squeezing the slime. Guess the sound number 36. What did you hear? The correct answer is hair comb. Guess the sound number 37. What did you hear? The correct answer is playing on tabla, pair of twin hand drums from the Indian subcontinent. Guess the sound number 38. What did you hear? The correct answer is turning a page in a book. Guess the sound number 39. What did you hear? The correct answer is cutting with a knife. Guess the sound number 40. What did you hear? The correct answer is singing of birds, specifically swallows. Guess the sound number 41. What did you hear? The correct answer is ukulele strumming. Guess the sound number 42. What did you hear? The correct answer is breathing of the dog.